everyone, I'm Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video, I'm with Turgay, our diamond cut guy, and we will work on that bangle. We will make a jewelry design, we will make a diamond cut design using these 4 tools. If you are ready, let's start.
I'm ready.
We are using our starter tool set. We are choosing different tools and we choose these 4 tools for you in this video. And we use our 50,000 RPM micromotor and we will make a great design. Turgay will make a great design on this bangle. We can start.
Okay, thank you.
Which tool which tool
You can use. Yeah. You can choose. You can choose.
Okay, I choose. Okay, you choose. Okay, choose. Okay, you choose. Okay, Turgay choose 1 tool and we will use 4 tool. We will combine 4 tool. He's starting with PCD, rainbow tool, our famous rainbow tool.
Short one.
He first created a hand drawing and he is following this design first. So when we finish, the hand drawing will be gone and we will have a finished jewelry bangle. What you will make on it? What you do?
I make PCD, but this different using now.
Ah, you different.
Yeah, just
You can use PCD tool
half round.
in different ways, in 3 different main ways. Half round, as you see in the video, you can make it long lines and you can make it S shape, which is needs a little bit hand practice, hand skill.
Yeah, just a little bit.
You cover one part.
Yeah. I make first.
Oh,
Yeah, but we can fix
Turgay
it.
is angry, huh?
No, just.
Oh, just relax, soft.
Yeah, but
Very
also no problem.
No problem.
I can fix it.
Don't worry, you can fix. If you have a mistake, you can fix it with the other tool because we are combining other tools and you can close any mistake with the other tool in the second process. We will show you all. That's a rainbow tool. As I told you, that's our one of most popular tool. It's a little bit difficult to use this tool. You need a little bit of practice, but after you success your practice, you need, let's say, several weeks using. You can make a empty bangle, brass bangle, make lines. You can practice, and after this, you will create unbelievable pieces. If you don't know about it, just have a look at our videos on our YouTube channel. You will find many different videos. You can search rainbow tool. You do the second part, huh?
Yeah, this model is
looks
can
like
be
S shape.
maybe a little more time,
Yeah, that's difficult.
but it's very different model.
If I want to learn, what should I do? Can you teach me?
I think maybe I can teach you.
Oh, good. When you can teach me?
Whatever you want, no problem.
If you want to learn about tools, you can watch our videos, but if you have chance to travel around, you can always come to our Istanbul showroom, or we are exhibiting the major jewelry exhibition around the world: Vicenza, Hong Kong, Bangkok, Istanbul, Las Vegas. We exhibit many other shows. Just have a look at our website www.bulunmaz.com and you can download a list of the exhibitions. You can find us and you can visit us. You can find Turgay anywhere to give you some basic training. Is it true?
Yes, of course, true.
Can you teach us?
Also, okay. And also, I make many times. For example, last time I was in Vietnam, and also.
What you do in Vietnam?
Yeah, just for fair. I will go
For fun?
fair. Yeah, for fair.
For fair, for
Yeah,
fun.
for fun.
For fair.
For fair fun.
What fair?
Vietnam fair, jewelry fair.
When is that?
When is date? Yeah.
That. When? When is it?
Date is now is
November something.
November. Yeah, November. But
Last November.
I'm not sure which date. But November. I'm sure November. And then after fair finish.
Vietnam,
I visit
Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Italy,
many countries. Yeah.
US, Mexico. You can find us in many exhibitions around the world. How is it going?
Yeah, good. I told you this model is a long time, a little bit.
The time of the model depends on the engraving you make. Some engravings takes really long time, but of course longer time means better competition against your competitors. So I recommend you to keep different types of models. Wow. Last one.
I think,
Kind of.
yeah, just one more.
We draw a line before the engraving, so it's kind of a route for engraving.
This is last one.
So that's kind of easier to work out. We are using this tool in 50,000 RPM. You can actually use between 45 to 50,000, no problem. But don't go low speed with the rainbow tool. Don't go below 40, let's say. When you look closer, you can see the rainbow colors, purple, green, pink on your bangle. That's all.
Yeah, this PCB.
Here is the half process. Now which tool you want to use?
I will use background tools, wheel,
For the side or middle?
middle.
Can I try?
Of course you can try.
Really?
Yeah, for me, very good.
Can I?
You can try.
Let's see how easy, how difficult. Which speed?
Yeah, speed is 25 is okay. 25 is okay.
I'm trying. How is it?
Good.
You like it?
Oh, yes. No need to learn.
Okay, I
You
forgot.
already know, I think.
No, I just learned now.
Oh, first time, huh?
First time.
First time.
Second time.
For second time is very nice.
How is it? Strange?
So, looking very nice.
How do you like it?
What?
How do you like?
Good.
I'm covering all around with the background tool. So later I will combine, which tool I can combine?
You can make combine is diamond tool because now is we need.
Okay, let's
bit
cover
shiny,
the other sides.
Yeah, also you can make.
That's a diamond wheel background tool. You can use it in different ways. I'm using for a central line model. I destroy your
Tool
model.
also most popular in the world.
Really?
We sell many. Yeah.
It's cheap, yeah?
Yeah, cheap also, and many people using this one.
$30 something.
$30, yeah, $30.
Yeah, background tools, of course, have different prices, but they are starting from $30. So it's a good range to start. It's easy to use background tools. It's hard to break, so you can start with background tools. You can buy it online on our website. This one just costs $30, but you'll find many other tools on the website.
So, I was going.
It's not going. This is boring. You gave me the most boring part.
Why you are boring?
Because I don't like it. I want a more
You don't
creative,
like
like, you know,
model.
up and down like you. But you give me like straight one. That's number 3 and
Yeah, 3.
One more,
This is last
yeah.
one.
I finish and I give you back.
Yeah. Wow. Just you need to try this diamond tools also.
No, it's
You
very
can try,
dangerous.
you can try. Yeah, no, not dangerous. You can try this. Just soft touch and pull.
Soft touch.
Yeah, just soft touch and pull.
I can touch soft.
You can.
Yeah, it's almost completed. Turgay gave me the hard work.
Hard work.
He made the Turgay made the creative part and gave me this boring part. That's the okay. It's not boring, but it took a lot.
Yeah, yes.
So I made a central lines with the wheel background tool. You can continue. It's not difficult. You can, with a little bit of practice, you can easily make and you can easily advance in such models. You can create, you can combine. What you do it?
We just put
We use
some
2 mm 140 degree diamond tool.
cut. And now is you
We
see the
just-
bangle is looking matte finish.
Here I have a chart. You will find this chart when you buy our 50,000 RPM diamond cut machine. On it, you will find that chart comes together with the machine. So in this chart, you will find which maximum speed you can use with each tool. So that tool is diamond tool. We recommend 45,000 RPM with this tool, and he is using to make some finishing over the wheel background tool. Turgay, is this gold?
This one.
This one, this one.
This one not gold. This one is brass.
I want to work on gold, huh? It's my dream.
Yeah, my dream also same.
When we will have
Maybe,
work,
maybe 1 kilo.
when we will work on gold,
I don't know.
maybe silver.
Silver is okay. Later is maybe gold. I try sometimes gold because I need. I visit the customer, and they want to try gold, and also I can make practice on the gold.
I cannot. I'm jealous.
Yeah.
He is completing the wheel background with a 2 mm 140 tool. It's done.
Yeah, no, done. You can make, for example, like
And you
this.
continue, yeah,
Yeah,
with-
you can make.
And you can work any karat gold, 10 karat, 14 karat, 18 karat, 21, 22 karat. There is no problem because the material of our tools is real diamond, natural diamond. So diamond is the hardest material on earth, as you know. So it doesn't matter. You can work any karat. Just 24 karat. Be careful. You have to put some oil. 24 karat gives a little bit problem. It's red color and it's sticky, but. Not who is using 24 karat, how many percent of the world. So don't worry, 14, 18, 21, 22, you can have zero hassles. What you do now?
This last tool is 3 mm
Lining tool, that's a fancy tool. You can see the diamond here. Diamond has a fancy shape here on our Bulunmaz tool catalog. Page 7, you can find the models of our fancy tools. Here is the lining tool we are using now. You can download our catalog on our website. Just have a look. You will find many different patterns. He is finishing the empty part of the bangle with this lining tool. Lining tool has different sizes and different line options. For example, 1, 2, 3 mm lines, and we have lines 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line. If you cannot find what you look for in our catalog, you can just order us your special orders because we have our own manufacturer and we can manufacture any special size you want. Later you will find in our YouTube channel our factory production videos, so you can visualize, you can understand much better how is the production look like. Turgay, what is the name of this model?
This model name is
Angry
Don't
Thunder.
have. Angry Thunder. Can be, yeah.
Thunderbird.
Thunder. Maybe. Can be. Normally, no name, this model.
No, you must give name.
Yeah, of course. But you can put name.
I
This
got
model-
Thunderbird.
Thunderbird. It's okay, Thunderbird. We have many model and we can find many name.
How come?
It's very hard.
There are 7 billion people in the world. Everyone has a name. Why not models?
Tool name is enough, yeah, maybe sometimes.
Okay. Okay, Turgay is not so romantic today. The name of our model is Thunderbird. Here you can see the details of Thunderbird. This is the bird's wings. Here is the thunder. Is it?
It's okay.
Okay, I shut up anymore. So this is the model of this video. We are shooting 8 videos in this series, and Turgay is making a new bangle for us in each video. If you want to watch the other videos, just look at the descriptions of this video below, and you will find many links to get many new ideas about the bangles.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
It was a good bangle. It was exciting.
Yeah, it's okay.
My heartbeat touch.
Ooh.
Yeah, you make me excited. So, what you do for us next video?
Next video, I'm just thinking something.
Okay,
but
keep
we will
thinking. Keep waiting for us. In the next video, we will make, Turgay will make more bangles for you. Thank you so much for watching us. See you again in the next video.